wondered how to turn your scrolling addiction into a full-time career? Social media management is booming in 2025, and guess what? You don't need prior experience to start. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process of how to become a social media manager and land your first client, even if you've never done it before. Hello, I'm Victoria, and I'm here to help you build skills and a career in the digital world. If managing Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn sounds like your dream job, stick around because I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know to start right now. Social media isn't just for fun anymore. It is where businesses thrive. And with over 4.8 billion users globally, every brand needs a strong social media presence to stay relevant. And that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you're going to be helping businesses connect with their audience, grow their brand, and drive sales. And the best part, it is flexible, in high demand, and you can work from anywhere in the world. So this is not location dependent. Now let's talk about how to get started without any experience in this year. First, let's talk about the skills you need to succeed. The good news is that you can learn all of these skills online for free or at a very low cost. And here's what you need to focus on. 1. Content creation. Content is king on social media. And as a social media manager, you need to create eye-catching posts, graphics, and videos that grab attention and drive engagement. You can start with tools like Canva for creating professional graphics. It is beginner friendly and it is packed with templates, and you can actually start for free. Now for videos, you can use CapCut, InShot, iMovie. All these are great for editing shorts, snappy clips for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You need to focus on understanding the basics of good design, like color scheme, fonts, layouts. You do not need to be a pro. And honestly, consistency and simplicity works wonders. I've got a masterclass coming up on the basics of using Canva to create eye-catching graphics for social media posts. So if you are interested, make sure that you register your interest. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box and also in the comments section. So click on it, put in your details, and I'll see you on the other side. Now, a pro tip for you is to follow design accounts, different design accounts on Instagram or Pinterest for inspiration, and try to recreate their work to practice. Number 2, copywriting. Social media isn't just about pretty pictures. It is the words that make people click, share, and comment. And this is where copywriting comes in. Practice writing short, engaging captions that matches the tone of your target audience. For example, a fitness brand might need a motivational caption, while a coffee shop might go for something cozy and fun. You also need to learn how to use hashtags effectively to boost your reach. And tools like Hashtagify can help you to find trending and niche specific tags. Now here's a quick exercise for you. Choose a post from one of your favorite brands and rewrite their caption to make it even more engaging. This is going to sharpen your skills. You can also leverage the power of AI such as ChatGPT to help you in refining this skill. 3. Social media scheduling. Now, one of your main responsibilities as a social media manager is staying organized. That's where scheduling tools come in. They help you to plan and automate posts in advance. Not everyone has got the time to keep posting every time and stay on Instagram all day, especially if you've got a 9-to-5 or you've got a full-time job. You can try some tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later to schedule posts. They are so easy to use, and often they have free plans for beginners. And in addition, Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube give you the opportunity to schedule your post ahead of time. So you can just go inside of YouTube and schedule your post for, next week or next month. You can do the same for Facebook and for TikTok on a computer. So this makes life easier for you as a social media manager. Another thing you need to know is that you need to understand the best times to post for different platforms. And by the time you start doing this for a while, you will understand your audience behavior and when they are online. So you like to target your post to when your audience will be online in order to get that first influx of comments and engagements on your post. And this will actually help you in building a more robust engagement on that post. For example, if you've got no audience yet, or if your prospective client has not got audience yet, evenings might work for Instagram, and LinkedIn users are more active in the morning. So try and post during these times to help more with engagement. Here is a pro tip for you. Create a simple content calendar in Google Sheets to track what you are posting and when. This is going to impress clients and it will keep you on top of deadlines. 4. Analytics and insights. This is the part that many people do not like, and that includes me at first. I hated looking at my YouTube analytics for a long time because it makes me cringe. However, it is a necessary evil. You need to know your analytics, and this will help you to plan and prepare for future posts. As a social media manager, data is your best friend when it comes to improving social media performance. Now, you will need to know what is working and what is not working. That's why you need to understand the analytics, what your audience are engaging with, how they are sharing, how they are liking, how they are commenting, what is resonating with them, so that you can build more and double up on that. And then this will also help you to refine posts that are not doing so well. Why are people not clicking? Why is it not doing well? This will help you to know what is working and what is not working on your platforms. Now, here is what you need to learn. Start with platform native tools like Instagram Insights, TikTok Analytics, YouTube Studio, or LinkedIn's built-in analytics. Learn the key metrics like engagement rates, reach, click-through rates. All these numbers will tell you what type of content resonates most with your audience. And here is a practical tip for you. You need to set simple goals for improvement, like I want to increase my engagement by 5% over the next month. These small wins add up, and it is what you are going to show your clients that you really can deliver. 5. Staying updated on trends. Social media is evolving very, very fast, and staying ahead of trends can set you apart as a manager. So how do I stay updated, you ask? You can stay updated by following industry news that pertains to the areas you are interested in. I will advise that you follow the official account of all these platforms. So if you are on Instagram, for example, make sure that you follow at Instagram. If you are on TikTok, follow at TikTok. If you are on YouTube, follow at YouTube. They are always releasing different updates about their platforms. And when they release new features like that, they are more likely to prioritize people who are using that particular feature. And this can really help your brand. Another thing that's important is for you to follow people who are in the same niche, the same areas of interest as you. This way, you know what is happening in your area of interest. You are likely to share the same audience. So from their posts, you'll be able to see how their audience is actually engaging, what are the posts that are doing well on their social media pages, and what are the ones that are not doing well. You can pick 1 or 2 things to refine and add to your own page. You can also follow industry blogs like Social Media Examiner or HubSpot for updates on new features and strategies. Now, you need to keep an eye on trending hashtags and viral content in your area of interest. And this is going to help you to create relevant, timely posts for your clients. Now, let's move on to part 3. Don't wait for your first client to build your portfolio. You need to create mock campaigns for brands in a niche that you love. Think fitness, beauty, or small businesses. For example, you can design Instagram posts, a content calendar, or even a short TikTok ad. This shows potential clients that you know what you are doing, even if you haven't worked professionally yet. Now, once you've created these samples, share them on LinkedIn, share them on Instagram, or your personal website. This not only attracts potential clients who might need your help, but it also helps you to refine your skills, and you can compare what is working with what is not working. A pro tip here is that you can reach out to a local business or non-profit and offer your services for free or at a discounted rate. Now, real-world experiences like this can be a game changer between social media management that are making it and those that are struggling. Let's move to part 4, finding clients even as a beginner. Now that you've got some skills and a portfolio, it is time to land your first client. And here are 3 ways to do it. 1, freelance platforms. You can start with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Look for smaller projects that match your skill set and offer competitive rates in order to build your reviews and credibility. 2, networking. You need to join Facebook groups or LinkedIn communities for small business owners or startups. Engage in conversations and offer value before now pitching your services. Let them know that you're a social media manager and you are ready to help any business that needs your support. 3, cold outreach. Find businesses with underwhelming social media pages. Send them a polite DM with a few suggestions for improvement and let them know that you can help them. For example, you can type something like, "Hi, I noticed your Instagram posts aren't getting much engagement. I would love to help you create content that connects with your audience." A pro tip here is, think of it as it comes to your head and then go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to refine it and make it more professional for you. Then when you get it, send it on as a DM or as an email to your prospective clients. And now we are in part 5, how to stand out as a beginner. Now here's how to stand out even if you are just starting out. Number 1 is consistency. You need to post regularly on your own social media account to showcase your expertise. This proves that you can walk the talk. Number 2 is client results. Even small wins count. Share the before and after stats or simple testimonials from anyone that you've worked with, even if it was for free. 3, personal branding. You need to position yourself as a social media expert by sharing tips, trends, or case studies on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, any platform that you would love to engage in. This will build your credibility and attract clients to you. Remember, the key is to start learning, build a portfolio, and put yourself out there. Consistency and effort will take you far. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Share this with somebody looking to break into social media management. And let me know in the comment section, which platform are you most excited to manage? Is it Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn? I'd love to hear from you. So please drop me a comment in the comment section. And in my next video, I'll be sharing with you how to price your services as a social media manager and land premium clients. So click on the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on it. Also, don't forget to grab the link in the description box and also in the comment section so that you can get access to the trainings and the tips and tricks for landing your first clients in less than a month. And I'll see you on the other side.